The parrot used to talk all day long. Whatever it heard, it would imitate. People's words, laughter, even the sound of a door closing. Everyone thought the parrot was very lively and full of joy. But at night, when everything became quiet, it would silently look up at the moon in the sky. One day, the moon asked, "Why aren't you talking today?" The parrot smiled gently and said, "During the day, I only repeat sounds. At night, I listen to my heart." Then it slowly closed its eyes. Moral: what matters more than what everyone says is listening to your own heart.